Hundreds of volunteers have set up a makeshift dog shelters in a warehouse in Canoas, one of the hardest hit by floods since last week. Their work was at full steam as heavy rains were expected again in the region for the weekend. Floods in Rio Grande do Sul have killed at least 107 people and another 136 are reported missing. According to the state authorities, more than 230,000 people have been displaced. There is no official tally for the number of animals that have died or are missing, but local media estimated that the number to be in the thousands. Since Sunday, the makeshift shelter, about the size of a football pitch, has welcomed hundreds of ill and agitated canis from inundated areas.
Saímos na corrida com a enchente, né? Aí eles vieram junto com nós. Só que aí na hora do barco nós perdemos. Porque eles estavam apavorados, aí correram pro lado e não conseguimos pegar eles mais. Aí achamos aqui eles. Graças a Deus.
Animal protection groups and volunteers have shared images of difficult rescues and heartwarming scenes of pets reuniting with their owners on social media, spurring Brazilians to send donations and bringing veterinarians to the region.
E é uma emoção para nós porque em pleno caos a gente consegue celebrar uma vitória, uma conquista, um reencontro, uma restituição, porque como tu falaste, é um membro da família. Então, se é um membro da família, encontrou, é alegria.
Between 20 and 30 dogs arrive every hour, many of them injured after having been run over or nearly drowned. The shelter sends some to veterinary hospitals, but others in need of medical attention are too frail to be transported. With no government coordination for the displaced animals, many were drawn to the movement following a social media campaign.